back to a new video, and today I'm playing Stormworks Build and Rescue. I've been trusted with this to handle this thing. Why I've been trusted to use it, I have no idea. But we'll figure it out. Hopefully. Maybe. This big. You know the ironic thing is, I spawned this in with a normal workbench. Here, look at the map. See? Normal workbench. It's because I use the Echo's bigger workbenches, but, oh boy. People. Oh, you can look out. Oh my gosh. I just gotta check out this, and it's so big and detailed. Dude, this thing is huge. It has a ladder. Oh wait, oh never mind. You gotta go down here. Can you go to the front? Can you go to the nose? Let's see. Oh yeah, no, you can. But how do you enter the nose? Oh, that's a lot of logic. Ow. How do you get in here? It's fine. Let's enter through our door. I should not be trusted with hydraulic system, address lights, no smoke, seat belts, cabin lights, rat, APU master, APU bleed, XV bleed. Oh. Wow. Anti-collision, battery, oh, logo lights, nav light, wing fold, right pack, left pack. Why does the wings, those wings, what do we turn on? I don't know if those wings will work. It's fine. Engines up. Can I? How do you? Oh. Global throttle. Let's see if we can get this off the ground. This is not gonna go well. Oh, turn. Those engines are scraping. What's our speed? I can't. Please, no. Oh, no. Oh, no, this is not going well. Guys, we are rolling. We are rolling. We're gonna roll off. Come on. Take off. Whoops. Yeah, I'm not trusted with this plane anymore. I don't know how to fly this. I'll get another plane. We got a new plane. A plane that I can probably actually fly. We are going to use this. What is this? Pump in. Oh, refuel. It's way smaller, not as big. What's in here? Oh, nothing. It's pretty fancy. Cockpit door. Oh god. I'm assuming inoperable. Wait, pump 4. What? Why air conditioner no work? Cross feet. Pump 2. This plane makes no sense. Anyways, nav lights, cockpit lights, cabin lights, avionics, galley, logo, AC. Oh, that's blue hydraulic, orange. Why hydro? Let's not read that button. Where are we gonna fly today? Okay, so if we're out here, I think we can, I don't know, go over here. So if we put a waypoint there, set the GPS to that, that's a bit of a distance. Gyro. I haven't flown a plane in like a minute. Alright. Oh, wait, what's behind this? Those are just circuit breakers. Throttle up. Let's see here. What controls? Oh, nice. Okay, come on. Right, head up. Alright. Oh, no, turn. Turn. Whoops. Well, I need to get better at this. One sec. I am back, and we managed to get the plane in the air. Mute alarm. Landing gear. Why is one of the Why is that engine off? Do we need like infinite fuel? It was just out of fuel. Spool up. Spool up. Yeah, that's not going well. 700, 1000. I am going to space. It looks like. I don't think this is what planes are supposed to. Fine, throttle down. Wait, what? Infinite electricity, please. Guys, a little help here. Whee. Alright, we're falling. Alright, we're falling. It's fine. Go. Go. Hold gyro. Wait, what is the altitude hold set to? 1,000. We need 1,000. 1,000. 700 works. Oh god. We are going to space. No. Gyro off. You know what we gotta do? We gotta descend the special airplane descending message. Come on. Watching the altitude pin just falling is so hilarious. Oh, hey! Anyways. We're not gonna play with that button. We have something called an insurance claim located in the aircraft. We have a free insurance claim. So yeah, we're just gonna fly this plane, see my it's like test my skills. I might invite my friend. That'd be nice. I have a friend. I might invite him to a video. I haven't done that. I promised that I'd invite him before, but I haven't really gone to that again. Also, I'm gonna upgrade my setup pretty soon. I'm gonna get some new stuff. I'm excited for that. It's for my birthday. Uh, I might record a video before or after. I'll tell you when it is. Um, buzzer, microphone, and speaker. Can I out the food? It's pretty quick. Yeah, you think I should hit the insurance claim button? Insurance claim button. You don't. No. If you look at the bottom, it does not say C4 detonator. It's the insurance claim button. What is that, a volcano? We are not crashing into the volcano. We are not going into the volcano. Are we high enough? I don't remember the waypoint. Who needs a waypoint? Anyways, I'm gonna just insurance claim. I'm gonna claim my insurance soon. We have insurance on this aircraft, I hope. Probably. Maybe. Hopefully. I don't know. Yeah, but I don't know. I don't know. It's fine. It's fine. Hey, look, there's a chopper. Anyways. What if I stand... what if I... Wait. Oh, yeah, right. We have some more insurance claim packages. Are we here? Are we in a good spot? I'm gonna go disabled autopilot. Actually, about now. Guys, we're going sideways. What reason, you might ask? I actually don't know why we're flying sideways. The plane's just being weird. Unlock. Oh, what? I did not press anything. Hydraulic leak. One sec, we about to hit the landing. We're about to land, boys. Pop off coolest landing since 2026. D9. Oh, it's 2032. Too bad I can't read. Okay, anyways, we gotta land this plane. Oh. I don't think that's good. Alright, go. Fall. I have learned the ways of the plane. Lower. Brake. Oh, brake. What is this? Well, this is great. That was the most depressing crash I've ever seen. It's just... it falls apart. Let me... Ow, what is this? Oh, it's a panel. Hello. I'm gonna just turn off infinite. Oh no, infinite resources we gotta keep. What? Might keep that. Anyways, let's check out the damn. The reverse thruster is broken. The wing exploded, guys. The wing kind of kaboom. Here's the tail. Where's the lamp? Oh, here it is. It's a spotlight. Alright, how do you build a... So you take an intake into a jet turbine, into a compressor, into a combustion chamber, turbine, dock. Perfect way of. What is this? Jet exhaust. Okay, that's how you build. That's how you build a jet engine in Stormworks, guys. Perfect. Rebar, my favorite flavor. A microcontroller. I'm gonna do that for. I don't know what to do with the plane. Should we just leave it here? Can't we? Don't I have like Skype? Oh wait, we're here. I think the Ministry of the Transportation Security thing. I forgot the name. Transportation Security. They're not gonna be so happy. Oh, what is this? A bunch of connectors, flavored in different flavors of nacho cheese. I think I'll just go get another plane. Actually, I don't know. I might try grabbing something random and do. Oh, control surface. Anyways, I got a new plane, and a bunch of people trust me to bring them to their destination. So I'd say, welcome to Totally Safe Airlines. I didn't make an airline company when I started making Stormwares videos. Alright, everybody line up at the door. Come on, hurry up. We don't have time. We need it. The plane is literally moving. Come on, get up here. What? Do we have brakes? Brakes. Where? Brakes. Oh my god, we didn't have brakes on. That's hilarious in a bad way. It just shows how incompatible I am to be a pilot and working. Alright, wait, no. Hurry up. I'll get back to you guys when I've loaded all these people on board. Everybody's loaded up into the aircraft. I don't know if it's safe. Why is the exit button? Where's the cockpit door? Where's the cockpit door button thingy? How to open the door? Oh, we have cranks. Anyways, nav lights, logo lights, cockpit lights, cabin lights, air conditioner, engine. Seatbelt sign. Oh, I think this is altitude. We'll set it to 650. Backlights on. Engine 1 and 2 throttle up. Reading light. I have the unlock crash button. Come on. Start up. You've got to be kidding me. Alright. Now. I don't want to taxi the runway. We are off. Why does landing gear never work? Oh, ooh, that was close. Where's the desert? We have to go to here, all the way over there. So we gotta head in that direction. That's our destination for today. Hopefully nothing happens on the way, because we are about... What the heck is this plane doing? Ah, infinite fuel required for the planes. There's gonna be no food, no drinks. It's just that us flying. You just ominously see the button opening. Now, trim. I should not play with that after what I do in Microsoft Flight Sim. Alright, so it's a pretty cool place. Actually, I'll just go see what we have in the back, see if I can get some myself. Ooh, a mug. What's this? Restroom. Ah, restroom. Is this a door or a window? Oh. Now that's a door. I don't think that's safe. No, let me. What? Oh, it's on the... Who places a button there? We're already here. That was a quick plane. How fast? What's our speed? 140. 140 what? Anyways, after our totally reasonable insurance claim on our last aircraft, we gotta actually land this one safely. Crash. Alright, now we can... I'm not even sure. Is there mountains on the way? There's definitely mountains on the way. But the desert is also so pretty. Just look at all this. So... What is that? Oh, giant radar disc. Mountain. Just... The desert is like the biggest map. Oh, wait, shoot. Where's altitude hold? Landing gear. Landing... What? Oh god, oh god, oh god, oh god. We gotta descend. No, ascend. No, speed. Whoa. What are we doing for artistic flips? Nice. We've done some art. Just the entire plane nosediving into the ground. How do you... Restroom. The restroom door is blocking me from escaping. The giant metal tube. Sir, are you... How the hell is nobody... 1.4 kilometers. That's hilarious. Now, let's see here. You guys good? I think the roof kind of decided to eject. Alright, everybody out, everyone out. I'm just sitting here. Out, move. No, move into another seat. I'm trying to get out of the plane. No, I'm not. Yeah. Oh, no. Come on. Haha. I've escaped. I'm gonna open the other door because I'm bored. Get out. You're gonna get out. Get out of my plane. Yeah. Kilometers. It's a kilometer in between these. How long is it? How big distance is in between this piece and this piece? Wait, what? Oh, no. 60 meters. Yeah, I did it. Oh, here's a piece. Here's a piece that I did not expect to find. Well, alright. I had to go do something real quick. Anyways, what is this? I gotta figure out what is this. What is this? I gotta figure out. Looks like a generator. What is key? Anyway, I'll head back to the wreck. There's always water. Yeah, water under map. Anyways, that's why you see the map falls down pretty big here. Yeah, nobody saw nothing. Nobody saw nothing. Nobody saw nothing, you see. Well, you guys are witnesses. Run, run. Okay, I'll probably have to evade the police for a few days. Yeah, see you later, guys.